Hi, welcome to INEO's channel. Today we're going to talk about our fresh air system inside of a commercial kitchen. Now we all know that one of the biggest problems for a commercial kitchen is that it is too hot inside of the kitchen. Some restaurants or hotels, they will use a fresh air system. Others, they will use an AC system. Regardless of what type of solution they use, they're always going to face one problem. Is that when chefs is cooking, even if you have an AC system and a fresh air system at the same time, the fresh air system will generate hot wind that blows directly to the chef. Even the surrounding temperature is low, but the hot air generated from the fresh air system will also cause the chef to be very hot during cooking stage. Now, luckily, we have a solution for that. Introducing INEO's Fresh Air AC system. This is a system that combines both a AC and a fresh air system together. It will generate cold air and it will provide very strong wind to blow directly to the chef's back during cooking. This way, not only the chef will enjoy some cold air, but also a stronger air comparing to the AC. Not only that, if you're equipped with our fresh air AC system, you don't need to have two spaces, one for fresh air system and one for AC. Instead, you will only need one space outside to fit two-in-one system. As you know, all AC will generate some hot air also towards the outside. Now we can also use this hot air to make it into hot water. At INEO, we also have a system that transfers the hot wind into energy that heats up a water tank for your kitchen use. This way, all the energy is preserved and you use less space and create more convenience and more comfortable environment during cooking for your chefs. This system is very suitable for areas that is very hot during the summer and all the kitchen as well. If you'd like to know more about this system, please contact us directly or visit our website. Thank you very much.